What's up, everybody? Today, I'm going to be going through an intro to a brand new project that I'm going to be launching in the next couple weeks here on the channel. And so I just want to share with you some of the cliff notes that I've made for myself to kind of share with all of you. So let's get right into it. Um, First off, the goal of the project is trying to do my best to simulate what it is like to work on a video game project as a 3D environment artist. So, what is this project? It's going to be a made up game, okay? But it's going to be heavily influenced by Pokemon FireRed. It's going to be like a modern remaster in Unreal Engine 5. And I'll pop up some screenshots here, where we are currently at. But mainly our focus is going to be like the starting bedroom area. And we'll see if that if we build out the next couple stages or levels. But for now, that's going to be our main focus. So how is this going to work? I'm going to be documenting any learnings I have, whether it's like tool tips. If I run into an issue while I'm working on stuff, I will create videos on how to kind of unblock yourself. I'm going to share with you my processes. And so you're going to see a bunch of either mini videos going through all those things. And then on top of that, just little mini videos of tips and tricks. And even if I don't have time, I want to keep myself accountable by posting up at least a video a week. So you'll get at least one video of me even doing like a live modeling session so that way you can kind of hear me think out loud and commentate while I'm working on the side project, just so that you can get a better idea of how I work. I will be playing the role of a made up game director, giving us directions and briefs and direction and instructions. I'll be playing the role of the level artist in case a level artist might have input and art direction. This is to kind of help any aspiring artists potentially see, how it might be like working with these different members on your team and their perspectives, and making sure that we remember that our role as an environment artist is to accommodate and to complement these other disciplines. This is targeted towards new aspiring environment artists who are wanting to get some insight on how it might be like working in video games. Where I'm going to be keeping all of this content on YouTube at the moment. In the future, who knows? Maybe things will break out into like little courses or something like that over on my Gumroad. But for now, everything's staying on YouTube. For the when, expect videos to be trickling in once a week. Progress videos, how-to videos, live working videos. I want to try and keep my channel as active as possible, and I want to continue to grow the community as best as possible. So please, if you have any questions, any comments and stuff like that, leave them in the comments below. I'll start to post a little bit more in my community tab as well. So please check those out. And then the why. I've been working games for 18 years now. I see lots of value in what it is that I'm wanting to share, and there's tons of benefits for myself as well for doing this. But I won't cover all of that here, uh, but maybe in a future video. Okay, well, hopefully you guys are all as excited as I am in working on this side project. I can't wait to get back working more again on the craft and showing you that side, and trying to give you as much insight as possible in working on a video game project. Take care. See y'all next time.